Hello, my friends! I hope you're doing well today. Dave McDonald here for another exciting episode of Quarantunes, drawing cartoons with Dave McDonald. Right? Help pass the day, break up the e-learning, get some creative art going, right? Flex those artistic muscles. All right, it's Quarantunes yesterday. Let's get warmed up first. I think that's where we need to start. Every day I like to warm up with some simple shapes. Remember? Go ahead and get your pencil. You'll need a pencil, piece of paper, marker, if you want to do some inking like me. And you know, if you've been watching, I like to do some simple shapes to warm up. I like to go around and around and make my circles. Again, just loosens up the drawing hand. It doesn't matter what these look like. I do ovals as well. I'll do squiggly lines sometimes, just make some spaghetti lines, right? Again, the whole object of this is to just loosen up that drawing hand, just get loose and free, right? Today's shout out goes to all the librarians. They are doing a fantastic job of doing the programming that they can do from a distance. So I know a lot of librarians at schools and county libraries. They're doing story time read-alouds, and those are a lot of fun. And so I want to just say thank you to all the librarians who are putting in extra time to become extra creative in the way that they connect with you at home. All right? I hope you're enjoying the programming that your librarians are providing you. Okay, I think I'm pretty warmed up. Now, if you were here in the previous video, you know it got pretty wacky here, don't you? Senior citizens from outer space. This was fun, wasn't it, yesterday? Senior citizens from outer space, part 1. I colored it. You can see I added some color to my Robo Granny 3000, who's offering computer chip cookies to our alien. Not chocolate chip, computer chip. Perhaps he wants a bite. A bite, B-Y-T-E. Maybe that went over your head. That's okay. Senior citizens from outer space part 2 today, because I just wanted to draw another wacky character that I imagined being in outer space. And this character, I think he's going to be from the Grouchy Galaxy. The Grouchy Galaxy. And for this character, we want to start, pick up your pencil, let's see, about the middle of the page here. Go ahead and draw an oval shape to get started. You know I like to use my oval shapes as a way to get started. And then do a curved line that comes off of the back of that oval. And then we need another circle shape right here. Put a circle shape right here. This is going to be the head of the character. This is the body, all right? We'll put some eyeballs up here on top. One circle there. And maybe we don't see the whole other eyeball because it's on the other side of the head. So maybe just a little curved line there. And this character is going to have a mustache. So let's see. We're going to open up his mouth. This character is going to be called Grumpy Gus from the Grouchy Galaxy. And he's got a mustache here. He's going to be grouchy and grumpy, of course. So let's see. For his legs, I'm going to give him some legs. Give me a little sideways V shape. Sideways V. Sideways V. Okay, and then at the bottom here, a little real flat oval. All right, that will become his foot. Again, on this side is shorter, sideways V with another flat oval. That will become his other foot. Now he's going to be, let's see, his pants are going to be real high up here. For some reason, this old grumpy Gus likes to pull his pants way up. His one hand, he's going to be doing this. A little elbow macaroni right there. Real sharp angle. what he's doing, he's scratching his back. So at the end of his hand, maybe imagine a little circle, and off of that put these little tiny fingers. Maybe he only has 3 fingers. And at the end of those fingers, almost like an amphibian, we did this yesterday, like a circle, just alien hands. And okay, he's scratching his back. All right, let's see. Oh, he's going to have antenna, as all alien senior citizens do, I suppose. Let's see. Over here, I think there's some youngsters. We're just going to make 2 little circles with feet like they're jumping up. He's yelling at them. Circles, little lines that come down from the bottom with ovals for the feet. Okay? Now what we're going to do with those circles is they're going to be kind of furry or fluffy. They're probably from a different planet maybe. And put some circles in there for some eyeballs and oval shapes for their eyeballs, circles for the pupils, and an oval for their mouth. They're wondering why he's so upset with them. Same thing here. Ovals for eyes, circles for pupils, oval for mouth. Maybe some motion lines if they're jumping up. I'm not even going to give them hands. They're just alien characters. They look like that, little fluffy balls. Okay. Maybe in the background we'll create just kind of a planet. And maybe behind these characters is their little spaceship in the background. So an upside down letter U with a hot dog underneath. Basically a hot dog shape with the little lights on the side. And watch. See that little curved line right there? It gives it the effect that it's causing a reflection, like it's a glass enclosure. All right, I think we're ready to start inking our miserable, grumpy Gus here, right? So let's start with our eyeballs. Circle shapes, oval. Head. Mustache. And if he's yelling, we're not going to put pupils in this. We're going to do this. Watch, some curved lines. He's so mad. His eyes are closed. And his mouth, of course, is open like this. Put a little line there. That's going to be his tongue right there. Then fill in around the tongue and the mustache with your pen. He's yelling at them because he's grumpy. Maybe do his little antenna with some shading. All right, maybe he's got these little markings on him, little circles. All right, elbow macaroni. Circle, straight lines, circular, straight lines, circle, and back. And there he is. He's scratching himself. Maybe he's got dry, itchy skin. I think maybe if I were an alien, maybe I would as well. Down his pants. Oh, isn't he a sharp-dressed alien? these letter V shapes. And let's see, his feet, we could do regular feet, or we could make them like he's wearing shoes if we want. See that? Just give him a little heel. Those squiggly lines just represent the laces. Leather shoe, little heel. And oh, if he's got pants on, he's gonna have some stylish pants. Go ahead and do this. We'll make them a nice plaid pattern. And then we do something like this. Lovely. Maybe a little shadow under there, remember? Yeah, he's happening, isn't he? Maybe I'll just draw while I'm here. Just draw this. Kind of the horizon line in the background. I don't even have to follow exactly that pencil line. I just wiggle my pen across the back, create that horizon of whatever planet that is. And we've got our two little junior aliens here who are doing nothing but playing, but they're getting yelled at by this grumpy geezer of an alien. Keeping them real simple. See this? Real simple. Motion lines. It's fun making those furry. This little, see that? Just little loops. Ovals for the eyeballs. Sticks, basically just straight lines for the legs. Lines coming straight down to indicate motion. Look at that. He's scaring them, whatever he's saying. Our spaceship in the back. That little reflection on the glass. Maybe these little accents to show that they're startled. All right. And let's see. We can go ahead and start to erase the pencil if you're drawing the same method as I am, where you're using your simple shapes in pencil first and then you're inking it. If you're not drawing in that method, then that's fine. Just kind of go ahead and touch up the little details that you want to spruce up for your drawing. All right, here's our little young aliens. A little frightened of this Grumpy Gus from the Grouchy Galaxy. All right, let's see. I know what he's. Where's my here? This is the technical pen I like to use when they're speaking. You kids get off my, instead of lawn, you kids get off my planet. That's not nice. But he is grumpy. He's a grumpy guy. And if you've never made word balloons before, what I like to teach in my school programs is to just go ahead, draw your lettering first, and then draw a nice oval shape around those letters. All right? And then what you'll do You'll cut so that the balloon doesn't touch the lettering. Just come around it like this, and then make a tail that points towards the character that is speaking. You kids get off my planet. Grumpy Gus. Muriel, bring me my prune juice. And my lotion. I've got a back rash. That's fun to put little like sound effects. Onomatopoeia. Let's see. We'll make up a word here. Scritch. Scritch. That's the sound he's making when he's scratching his back and all these pieces are falling on his dry skin flakes. Ew. That's gross. Onomatopoeia. Scritch, scritch. You kids get off my planet. They're gonna have to get in their spaceship here and fly away to be safe, aren't they? I hope you had fun creating your senior citizen from outer space. Yesterday was a cookie making grandmother. Today, a grumpy grandpa. Not all grandpas are grumpy, you know that. Most are very kind and warm-hearted. But it is fun in comics to kind of make extreme characters that are comical, all right? I hope you had fun creating your outer space alien characters. All right. Until the next time, be safe, stay well, and help one another out. Take care of one another. Bye-bye.